In a desolate and arid desert where life seemed impossible, there lay a single seed buried deep in the dry, cracked earth. This seed had been carried by the wind from a distant fertile land, traveling countless miles to rest in this unforgiving environment. The seed lay dormant, its potential hidden, waiting for the right moment to awaken. Years passed, and the seed remained hidden, enduring the harsh conditions of the desert. It faced scorching heat during the day, temperatures soaring to unbearable heights, and freezing cold at night, with no respite from the extreme climate. It seemed impossible that anything could thrive in such an environment. One year after a particularly severe drought, the skies finally opened up and rain poured down, soaking the parched land. It was a rare and miraculous event in the desert. The seed, sensing the moisture seeping into the ground, began to stir. Slowly but surely, it pushed its tiny roots into the earth, seeking nourishment and the seed was fragile and vulnerable, but it was alive. It faced numerous challenges: the relentless sun that threatened to dry it out, fierce sandstorms that tried to bury it, and the constant struggle to find water. Yet it continued to grow inch by inch, day by day. Other desert plants and animals took notice of this tiny sprout. They saw its resilience and determination to survive against all odds. The little plant's struggle inspired them, showing that life could exist even in the harshest conditions. As the plant grew stronger, its roots delved deeper, finding hidden reserves of water and nutrients. Its leaves reached toward the sky, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy. Years went by, and the small sprout transformed into a sturdy sapling. Its roots anchored it firmly in the ground, and its branches began to spread. It provided shade from the relentless sun and a small oasis of life in the desert. The tree's flowers bloomed, attracting pollinators and spreading its seeds far and wide. Over time, a small oasis began to form around the tree, bringing life to the barren desert. The once lonely seed had become a beacon of hope and resilience. It showed that even in the harshest conditions, life could find a way to thrive. The tree became a symbol of strength and perseverance, reminding all who saw it that no matter how difficult the journey, growth and transformation are always possible. The story of the seed and the tree spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to embrace their challenges and rise above them. It taught that within each of us lies the potential to grow, to persevere, and to make a positive impact on the world around us. People from nearby villages began visiting the oasis. They marveled at the tree's strength and beauty, drawing inspiration from its journey. They saw in the tree a reflection of their struggles and dreams, and they left with a renewed sense of hope and determination. The oasis became a gathering place, a sanctuary where people shared stories of resilience and triumph over adversity. One such visitor was a young woman named Amina. She had faced many hardships in her life, from losing her family to a devastating drought to struggling to make a living in a harsh and unforgiving world. She had traveled many miles, driven by stories of the miraculous tree in the desert. When Amina saw the tree, she felt an immediate connection. She sat beneath its shade, feeling the cool breeze rustling through its leaves, and she wept. The tree had survived against all odds, and so had she. Inspired by the tree's story, Amina decided to plant her own seeds of hope. She collected seeds from the tree and carried them back to her village. Amina's village was also plagued by harsh conditions and scarcity, but she believed in the power of resilience and growth. She planted the seeds and tended to them with care, sharing the tree's story with her fellow villagers. Slowly but surely, the seeds began to sprout and new life started to take root in the village. The villagers were inspired by Amina's determination and the tree's legacy. They worked together to create a more sustainable and vibrant community. They dug wells, built irrigation systems, and planted more trees. Over time, their efforts transformed the village into a thriving oasis, much like the one where the miraculous tree stood. The story of the seed of hope continued to spread, reaching far beyond the desert and Amina's village. It became a universal symbol of resilience, reminding people everywhere that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, growth and transformation are possible. It taught that within each person lies the strength to overcome adversity, to persevere, and to create a better future. In the end, the seed's journey from a distant, fertile land to a barren desert and its transformation into a mighty tree was a testament to the power of hope, resilience, and the indomitable spirit of life. It showed that even in the harshest conditions, a single seed could change the world, inspiring countless others to do the same.